Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Please keep watching to get this look. First I'm going to fill my eyebrows with the Rimmel London brow pencil in the shade Dark Brown. For my eye primer I'm going to use my all-time favourite, the Kiko Milano Neutral Eye Base. I recommend that you apply this to the top of your eyes and then set with a powder so your eyeshadow can be applied smoothly. Today I fancied creating a neutral pink look. For this I'm going to be using the Revolution Reloaded palette. For the price of this palette, the quality is really good, the pigmentation isn't bad either, and the eyeshadow is very easily applicable. As you just saw, I applied the light mauvey shade first as my transition shade into my creases. Next I'm going to apply the darker shade into my edges and blend inwards towards the centre of my eyes. I'm doing the cut crease technique here as I want the pink to pop. In order to neaten the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this nude shade to give it a good quality finishing touch. Here I am using the Bareminerals Lash Domination ink liner. I love this liner as once applied it does not budge, smudge or run down your face no matter how much you sweat or cry. I'm filling my upper waterline with the Rimmel London gel pencil. Depending on the look I'm trying to achieve, I choose different methods of filling my lower waterline. Today I'm only going to bring it in quarter of the way. For my concealer, I'm going to use the Body Shop's Fresh Nude Serum Concealer in the shade 03. I just love how this perfectly matches my skin tone and doesn't sit in my creases. For my lashes, I'm using the Lash Domination Volumizing Mascara from Bareminerals. This is definitely one of my go-to mascaras. For this look, I wanted to create a glowy face. Here I am using the Body Shop's Illuminating Drops of Glow. Just see how well this sits under my foundation. Best foundation on this planet? Well, for my skin for sure. The Bareminerals Original Foundation in the shade Medium Tan. Don't underestimate this foundation. It's lightweight, full coverage and doesn't crack on your skin if you have dry skin. For contouring, I'm going to use the Morphe Highlight and Contour Palette. Today I'm going to contour my nose, cheeks and chin. my highlighter, I'm using the Bareminerals Glow Stick first, and then I'm going to top it up with the Kiko Milano's Ocean Feel highlighter. As you can see, this definitely creates a popping highlighter. Go ladies, go pop that highlighter.